Hi, my name's Natalie Kumaratna, and I'm Western Region Honda Public Relations. Behind me, we have the all-new 2020 Honda CR-V Hybrid. The CR-V has been the most popular CUV in America for the past 2 decades. And we're really excited to bring a hybrid into the mix. The CR-V Hybrid is coming at a great time as gas prices are increasing, so a hybrid will be definitely welcome. We have a big roomy interior cabin and also Honda sensing standard. So what that means is active safety. So things like collision mitigation braking, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, all those features come standard, helping you stay safe on the road and preventing an accident before it happens. What's also great is we also have a wireless charger. So you can now charge your phone wirelessly, which is awesome. And also a really roomy back seat.
Can we see those?
This gentleman
Okay.
is feeling roomy back
No,
here.
we can fit a couple of big journalists here. There is a lot of space.
There you go. And as we move to the rear, you can see a big, nice, roomy cargo space. And we are targeting top safety ratings from both IIHS and NHTSA. Safety is very important to Honda, as well as a 50% increase in MPG City compared to the gasoline variants.
Okay, so this 2019 model is already available?
This is a 2020 model.
Oh, 2020, perfect.
And so the 2020 CR-V Hybrid is not available yet. It is arriving early 2020. However, the gasoline version is available at Honda dealerships today.